Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color and white color. Kids night coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first you draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bus. The alphabets of B. Kids again use red color and draw C for cow, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids neither D for dog, D for door. The alphabets of D, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. It's neither numbers, and first letter 1, and use blue color O and E1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2, TW or 2. The numbers of 2. Kids again use blue color and draw 3, THRW3. The numbers of 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4, and use green color. FOUR 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5, FIVE 5. The numbers of 5. Kids neither shapes, and first they draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color. Kids neither oval, the shape of oval, and use white color. Kids neither heart, the shape of heart, and use red color. Kids neither Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Kids neither pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use blue color. Kids last letter square, the shape of square, and use green color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.